In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up jobs and customers in QuickBooks. We'll keep this simple and practical so you can follow along inside your own QuickBooks account without getting lost. The goal here is to show you where to go, how to create or review a customer, and then how to begin setting up a job or contract from that customer's profile. To get started, head over to All Apps. From there, go into the Customer Hub and select Customers and Leads. This is the main area where you'll manage your customer records, and it's where you can view both existing contacts and any new ones you want to add. Once you're in, you'll see your list of customers. If you want to create a brand new customer, click New Customer in the top right corner. From there, enter the customer's details. Take a moment to make sure the information is accurate and complete, because having clean customer records will make it much easier to manage transactions and jobs later on. If the customer already exists in your list, you can simply click on that customer to open their details page. This is useful if you want to review their information before creating any related work, or if you're setting up a job for someone already in your system. After you're on the selected customers page, look again to the top right corner and click New Transaction. From the available options, choose Contract. This is the area where you can begin creating a contract job for that customer. Once the contract screen opens, you can enter the details of the contract job. This is where you'll define the information connected to that specific job, so be sure to fill it out carefully. In general, it's a good idea to double-check the customer you selected before entering anything, just to make sure the contract job is being attached to the correct record. If you're working in a demo environment, you may not be able to complete the full process. That's normal in some sample or restricted accounts. But as long as you can reach the contract creation screen, the setup is usually very straightforward from there, and the layout should guide you through the remaining fields. And that's really all there is to it. You go to All Apps, open Customer Hub, select Customers and Leads, create or open a customer, then use New Transaction to start a contract job. Once you've done it a couple of times, the process becomes very quick and easy.